So what I want you to see here will that is that if you can see here, you learned this already, right, Teacher Howard? Section 1 warm up. Dito dapat yung IELTS, yung notepad, yung how do you call it, ice breaking script. Pagdating ngayon sa full mock test, this is the timing that you will follow, will be the script. And the script will be here. It's actually on page, what page is this? Just check what page is this. Just look for section 2, full mock tests. So at this point, hindi ka pa nag-share screen. Pero ang kailangan mo lang to be familiar will be the script because it has to be verbatim. You will say, as you start the full mock exam, because it's IELTS, you will say, we'll be doing the full mock test like the real exam. I need to make sure time spent on each part is appropriate, so don't worry if I stop you. It's normal in the real exam as well. So all of the IELTS teachers get familiar with the script because the script has to be verbatim. Okay? So pagdating sa part 2, kasi there are 3 parts in IELTS. So pagdating sa part 2, 3 minutes lang yan. And then you will give the topic of part 2 in the chat box. So you will say, now I'm going to give you a topic that I'd like you to talk about for 1 to 2 minutes. So you have 1 minute to think about what you're going to say, and you can make notes if you wish, which you learned already, right? Because you're done with the training. So send the topic in the chat box, and then you can say, can you see it already? Reconfirm kung nakita na niya, because the student will have to take note of that. So then, pagtapos na yung 1 minute to prepare, right? I'd like you to describe, and then 1 minute note-taking ni student. So ngayon, pupunta ka sa scoring, sa system, sa website, which you haven't seen. I'll show it to you. Then you will say, you have 2 minutes for this. Don't worry if I stop you. I'll tell you when 2 minutes is up. So ipapakita ko rin to sa iyo. Okay? Pero meantime, you have to watch first the recording. Okay? Kasi ano to system navigation na to kung saan mo makikita yung part 2. And then part 3, there are 4 questions in part 3. So sasabihin mo lang, we've been talking about, let's say part 2 is about cooking. So we've been talking about cooking, and now I'd like to ask you some more general questions related to this. So say tapos na yung 4 questions, and then pag tapos na yung mock test, you will say, thank you, this is the end of the speaking test. Okay, so after that, nandun na tayo sa answer correction. This is the time that you will share the screen. Okay? So kasi, kaya naman mag-enroll sa iyo si student is because they need some work on their original answer. So tatanungin mo siya, well done on completing your mock test. So how do you feel about the test? So ngayon, teacher, both of you, your demo will just be on part 1 and part 3. Hindi pa kayo magde-demo sa part 2. Why? Because part 1 and part 3, which is the PREC method, is easier. So we'll make you do the demo on just part 1 and part 3. Meaning to say, during your demo, and let's say your examiner said, oh, teacher, part 2 is the most difficult. Let's concentrate first on part 1 or part 3, because your demo is only part 1 or part 3. Okay, because it happened already that an examiner asked the teacher, the teacher asked, what other parts is most difficult for you? Wag part 2. Wag ka papayag kasi hindi yun yung demo mo. You can just say, let's discuss another question in part 1. Kasi part 1, there are several questions. Part 3, there are 4 questions, correct? So yan lang yung magde-demo. And then, So let's say sinabi na ni student, part 1 is the most difficult part or part 3 is the most difficult part. Ang una-una mong gagawin is correct the errors dun sa original answer. Paano mo i-correct? Correct mo yung vocab, correct mo yung grammar, pronunciation, and then after ng maybe first 2 minutes, then you will have to upgrade kung merong dapat work on structure. Let's say kulang ng connectives or mali ang tenses. Tapos connectives is coherent ideas, right? Let's say I go supermarket, like that. So you make it connected. So you say I go to the supermarket every weekend, ganon. And then also make it logical. Just like how do you make a logical answer? That's in the prec, right? Let's say I go to the supermarket and I go to school after that. Then how do you make it logical and extend the idea? So you check I go to the supermarket. Furthermore, at the end of the day, I have to go to I usually proceed to blah blah blah. So that's how you're going to make it logical by adding some discourse markers. Furthermore, additionally, moreover, mga ganon. So, but don't you worry, this one is in the PREC. Yung mga ganong discourse markers can be seen in the teaching material. Okay? So, I'll show the teaching material later on. So, and then this one, you won't introduce the IMF method yet. PREC ka pa lang. So, for this part, the quick guide, ang gusto ko lang makita nyo is the script, yung naka-blue. Okay? So, take a screenshot of that. Full mock test is just script in blue. So, meaning to say, this one on top, I know it's in blue, but it's too long that I just want you to say, let's say the student hasn't taken the IELTS before, Teacher Ray. All you needed to say is just one sentence to describe part 1, 2, and 3. So how are you going to do that? Watch first the recording, okay? And then later on, after you watch the recording, you summarize your question, and then I'll train you on your demo pagkatapos mo nang mapanood. Okay? So, that will be ice-breaking IELTS quick guide. Please take down notes if you have to. Okay? Kasi maybe you will not remember it, Teacher Ray. Are you taking down notes?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I have my notebook.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So after the quick guide, that will be the system operation guideline. So after the system operation guideline will be the speaking band descriptors. Okay, I'm going to open this one. This is how I mentioned about the website, right? So I will teach you how to log in so that you can see where you will do the class or your demo. It will be here. Okay? So, but siguro sabay na kayo. What I need you to do is first watch it. But then I can already give you the logins. Okay, wait a minute. The logins will be here. How to get into the test page. Here it is. So there are 2 websites. One is itongzuo.com and another is OAPBK. It means kung itongzuo.com hindi naglo-load, you can use this one. So you can open both. And i-star mo na, like bookmark it, so that you can easily have access to that. And then the login details will be this one, account name, this, and then password, this. So yun ngayon yung ilalagay mo. So you can open the website. You log in here. Don't worry, I have a YouTube how to log in. If you cannot log in, watch the YouTube. And still, even after the YouTube, you don't know how to log in, I can show it to you. Okay. So I'm going to send this to you, the websites. Copy. You first, Teacher Howard. And then next will be you, Teacher Ellen. Teacher Ellen, tapos mo na mabigay yung typing speed mo?
Oh.
Not yet.
For the new one, not yet, but last time I did send my typing speed.
You have sent it. Just forward it kung meron na. Okay, this one, tama na. Nakita mo na yung training courses. Tama na.
Okay, thank you.
Give me a moment, please. Wait a minute. So wait a minute, let me share that again. Cheers. Okay, so that's system navigation. If I will show it to you quickly, that will be, you can try to type the website on your side. So it's gonna be like this, log in. And then, ganyan na. So, account name, EP1, sign in. If you see this, just click adjust later. And then, you make sure kung naka-Chinese pa siya, andito yung translate. Over here, translate. Translate to English para mag-English to. You wanna do it first?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead. Let me know if you are here in this page. Okay, hello. Could you see it already?
Yes, ma'am. I can see it in my end already.
Okay, how about you, Teacher Allen?
Yes,
Teacher
ma'am.
Allen,
Yes,
nakita mo
ma'am.
na yung website? Nakita mo na yung website?
Yes.
Can you show it? Please show your screen. How about you, Teacher Ray? Can you, nakamute ka, teacher?
Um, I'm already on the page, ma'am. And
Can
I
you,
already opened the account.
would you mind to share your screen?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Um, mm,
Okay,
this, ma'am.
all right. So what I need you to do is on just beside the future booking. Can you see that?
This one, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, the
yes.
blank.
Yeah, there's a date, right?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
click January 29.
January 20. This one, ma'am.
2024,
Oh, 2020.
last year.
Uh, this one, ma'am.
And then click future booking. Please take note of the date, January 20.
Ay, nawala.
Okay, scroll down. Scroll down. Okay, on your side, Teacher Allen, can you also do it?
Okay.
And make sure you are here on this page of Teacher Howard.
I'm there.
Oh, you're here? Okay. So since you are here, scroll down there. Okay. On the first column, we have here test student 0058, right? ET. ET means trial class. So your two trial class students, you can choose the first or the second row. Okay? Yung dalawa sa right side, that's for GE. You don't need that. That's GE, BE, you don't need that. You just need on the first column, teacher rate. Yeah. You can open one. Okay, click. So here is the class detail page of your trial student. Scroll down, class details, scroll down until you see teaching plan IELTS. You see teaching plan IELTS? Teaching plan, correct. Yeah, click. Again, if you see this is the 4-week schedule that I will ask you to open once you will start. So just click adjust later. Okay, scroll down, Teacher Howard, until you see BSR. Okay, wait, scroll up. Yeah. So, yeah, BSR, click. Ito na si Testy. Copy that, yung naka-gray. Copy the whole thing, copy and paste. I insist to open. So now, this is the warm-up where you will use the ice-breaking script. And then let's say the student hasn't taken the IELTS yet. Can you scroll down? Scroll down a bit. Okay. So you can see the level and the target. Yung level on the first box or field, yan yung, let's say the student has already taken the IELTS before. So you will ask, may I know what's your band score on speaking? So this one, yung first field. And then yung 6.5 dito, this will be the target level. So let's say the target level, since ang band score niya on speaking is 5, ang target level niya is 6.5, not too high. Okay, kasi 5 lang pala yung last exam date niya on speaking. So let's say hindi pa siya nag-IELTS exam, you will put here the current level. So kasi di ba nag-ice breaking na kayo? So based on the current level, dun sa interview mo during the warm-up, you will just put here the current level. So just so it's easy for you to gauge the current level, the easiest way would be a band score 5 can give you simple sentences. So let's say you ask about, are you studying or working? What's your major? And then what are your other hobbies? If the students can give you simple sentences, that student can easily fall into a band score 5, which is also your benchmark in giving a band score. Okay. So the moment the student, Teacher Howard, tapos ka na sa IELTS scoring, the student cannot give you simple sentences, cannot complete even a simple one, dun lang siya bababa. Pero kung nagsisimple sentences na siya, bigyan mo na siya ng 5. If the student has a little bit more advanced words as based on the topics like books, colors, hometown, then you can give a 5.5 or 6 based on, let's say, lexical resource. Lexical resource, by the way, are what are the words the student can mention in the mock test. Okay, that's the easy way to gauge. There were instances when the student's pronunciation is kind of like more on the Chinese accent, then sometimes we don't understand, right? Then it's quick for us to say, oh, the student cannot say even basic words or basic sentences. But don't be quick to judge, because maybe you just don't understand the pronunciation. Maybe you can zoom out and check it out. What are the sentence structures? Is it just simple sentences lang? Or baka kaya niya yung medyo compound or complex sentences? Like, example, I am discussing the matter about IELTS when my friend arrived. So that's a more, that's not a simple sentence, right? Correct? Am I right? So, but then maybe you didn't understand it. So, dun lang siya sa pronunciation, medyo bababa. Medyo 5 lang siya, but maybe that student is 5.5 or 6. Can you follow me? These are like highlights that I wanted you to pay more attention when giving the IELTS score here on the current level. Ngayon, itong exam date, it's, let's say the date today is February 17. So usually, most of the students have their exam date, which this is clickable. Can you click it, Teacher Howard? Sige, click mo yan. You see, i-clear mo siya. Clear. So, pag clear mo siya, click mo ulit. Yan. So, if the date today is 2/17, pwede mong i-click yung kung kailan yung exam date nila. So, if not, if there's still no exam date set, you can date it 1 month after, which is, what is the 1 month after from the date to date, Teacher Howard?
March 17, ma'am.
Yeah, yun ngayon yung i-click mo pag walang exam date. Can you
This
try
one.
to click it?
This one, ma'am.
Yes, you see, March 7th. So, can you zoom out?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can save the information before moving on to the next one.
This one, ma'am.
So ngayon, let's say the student hasn't taken the IELTS. So you need to describe a little bit about the IELTS speaking test. Click the next one. Diba warm up? Upper left.
Upper left. Okay.
Yeah,
Tama.
that one.
Yes, ma'am.
So, eto ngayon yung, since hindi ka pa nag-share screen dito, you just need to describe a little bit about part 1, part 2, and part 3. So, let's say, teacher, I haven't taken the IELTS exam. Okay, would you like me to explain a little bit about the exam details? Yes, teacher. Okay, so part 1, there are individual personal questions about yourself. Then there will be several questions on 3 different topics. Remember, personal topics, personal subjects. Example, food, family, hobbies, right? Ganun lang. Part 2, this is an individual long term. It's more on storytelling. So I'm going to give you a minute to prepare, and you may take notes if you wish. And then you have 1 to 2 minutes to speak in part 2. And then in part 3, it's a more generalized questions related to part 2. So there will be 4 questions all in all. Ganun lang. You don't need to mention all of the long explanation dun sa IELTS script that I shared with you. Okay? Can you stop sharing a little bit, teacher? Okay. So yun ngayon yung nasa drive here. So yan, I taught you how to log in. And then itong file na to, which is, the title is System Navigation. It's how you navigate the website. Ayan yung nakita natin. So from login, BSR, click BSR. Yan. So it's all here, how you navigate. Okay? So like when you go to the full mock test, how do you move from part 1 to part 3? Anito, may mga use this button to change parts. See that? Ito yung mga ginawa natin. Remember to click save. Tapos take down students, some information students. Yan. Okay. So there are some other parts here. You can check it out on your own. I just need you to first watch the video or the file recording. Okay. So that is about the one that I shared here. So that's the system operation guideline. And the speaking band descriptors are, I mentioned to you, right? Band score 5 is someone who can, let's say, simply give you some simple sentences on, let's say, fluency and coherence, simple sentences, lexical resource, simple words, grammatical range and accuracy, simple sentences ka, right? And pronunciation, it means naiintindihan mo na siya. it means hindi siya nagcha-Chinese. Pag nagcha-Chinese or binibigyan ka lang ng phrases or maybe sabi niya, "Teacher, I cannot understand the questions," nandito na siya. And you can tell the teacher assistant later on that this student cannot understand most questions. So, alam na ni TA na because we also have Chinese teachers that can speak English. Okay? So, yan yung ngayon yung mga titingnan niyo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wag na tong urgent booking kasi minsan may urgent booking. You may want to explore this, just an extra explanation on the trial class or the ET class. But already this is part of what you're gonna take in TikTok. So no need to see this. If you want, you can. No problem. Kasi ito na yung mga ibang functions dun sa teacher's page. And ito, ET means trial class, yung sinabi ko. Right? Redundant lang yung iba. Parang, because I mentioned that I will just teach some teachers for like few hours, 1 to 2 hours, and then they'll do the demo right away. Pero kayo, like you're more prepared because you will take the courses first and do the demo. So on the actual recording, Teacher Howard, napapanoorin mo, what's better for you? Is it IELTS YouTube or you want it also here?
YouTube is fine, ma'am. I think
YouTube is
it's
fine.
it's easy to access YouTube. Yeah.
Okay. Maybe I can give you the YouTube, and then also what I need you to appreciate here will be kasi meron ding dito mga practice demo. Meron ang ibibigay ko sa iyo dito apart from what you can see is on your actual demo, this will be the time management that I want you to follow. Example, if the class is at 1 p.m., I want you to finish the ice breaking and the warm-up, yung warm-up part, maximum 7 minutes. Why? Because pagka ginawa mo to ng 10 minutes, baka makulangan ka ng time sa other sections. So mock test is maximum na yung 14 minutes, huwag ka lalagpas. Tapos pagdating sa answer correction, when you will already correct your student's answer, maximum 25 minutes. Band score feedback, yung bibigyan mo na siya ng scores, will be 4 to 5 minutes. Course plan is 3 minutes and assignment kahit 3 seconds. 30 seconds is fine. Mahaba na nga yung 1 minute. Why I made this 55? Usually the class is just 50 minutes, pero kasi baka medyo tatagal ka dito or medyo tatagal ka dito. So, also, it's auto-fail kung 49 minutes mo ginawa yung trial class. So, 55 minutes para pasok na pasok ka dun sa timing. Okay, but this can be 4 minutes, but this one cannot be more than 14 minutes. Cannot be more than 25 minutes. Okay? So, yan yung gusto kong, maybe I will just download this for you pagka magde-demo ka. Okay. So, basically, the files I'll just share in YouTube. It's fine. I also have like parang part by part na how do you do the mock test, how do you do the warm up. Meron din ako nun sa DingTalk. Whichever works for you, tell me, I can share it in DingTalk. So maybe YouTube muna for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll send it to you
Yes, ma'am.
after our meeting.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
may leave. I'll be with Teacher Allen so she can see.
Can I ask you some advice, ma'am? Because
Yeah,
I think I'm gonna be having a problem with the part where I'm gonna correct the answer of the candidate.
Mhm.
Do you have any like advice for me to um like
You need to
learn
or what?
more, yeah,
Ah,
advice, ma'am.
what is your problem? Is it sentence structure? Is it tenses? Anong problem mo?
I think the part on how to extend the one sentence into like a paragraph. Do you have like any
How do
uh,
you extend one sentence into a paragraph?
yes, ma'am, because
Huh.
that's what to do when correcting the student, ma'am, right? Like
Yes.
if they only answered one sentence for the question, then we need to help them like make uh making the one
That is
sentence.
I think you're talking about the PREC already.
Oh, yeah. Yes,
Wait a
ma'am.
minute.
So I'll just gonna rewatch then the PREC video.
Yes, because
Okay.
as you develop the point, and then
Yes, ma'am.
develop two reasons. For instance, kunwari may binigay na sa original answer na reason. So for instance, phrase, and then connect the original answer reason, and then prompt for what's another reason for your point, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
then, so let's say part three. So point, two reasons, two examples. So,
Okay.
for example,
Yeah.
uh, and then, so ilan na yon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Four sentences na point, two reasons, one example. So, four.
Yes, ma'am.
C, conclusion.
Yes, ma'am.
So, don't be happy with in conclusion kasi nga, you need to paraphrase, right? And let's say the band score of the student is 6.5. Alam ka naman, in conclusion, sabihan
Yes,
mo
ma'am.
na ng, okay, let's make it, let's add some idiomatic expression. So, in a nutshell, overall, to recap, mga ganun.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Ganun. So,
Yes, ma'am.
mapapanood mo rin yun sa sa sample class na
Yes, ma'am.
ibibigay ko sa'yo. But meantime, if that is your problem, you just need to, kunwari, ang topic mo is about books, hometown and all. Mag-research ka na, ano yung mga upgrades na gagawin mo. Para pagdating ngayon na mag-upgrade ka na, may mga
Yes, ma'am.
suggested words ka na,
Ah,
more
yes, ma'am.
advanced words. Kasi
Yes, ma'am.
marami sa complaint ng students is, aba, nagklase ako kay teacher. Wala naman ako natutunan. Books, hometown, at you know what I mean, colors lang ang natutunan ko.
Yes,
Eh,
ma'am.
bakit pa ako nag-aral sa'yo? Paano tataas ang band score ko kung wala naman ako natutunan?
Yes, ma'am.
You
That's
get
actually
it?
what I feared. That's why I think I'll just gonna practice and yeah, research more, ma'am, in regards to the words that I can like add to extend the sentences.
Kasi makikita mo naman na yung makikita mo naman na yung topics.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give you an idea. Let's say this is one teacher's class or booking. Hmm. Okay. So, kunwari, may booking ka na. It's gonna look like this. ET class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Teaching plan IELTS. So, Teacher Aryan, if it's this your page, this is already gonna be your name. Paste. I insist to open. Okay, so as you can see, ito na yung, syempre mag-ET class siya. Answer correction is gonna be like this. Dito ka you'll do the full mock test here, answer correction. Ito na ngayon yung sabi ko, di ba? How do you transfer from one part to the other? Ito na yung topics mo, colors, home and accommodation, borrowing or lending. So this one is daily routine. Andito na yung topic.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
it
Thank you.
means also in the teaching material, kita mo andito na yung what's another word for color? You. What's another word for favorite, most liked?
Yes, ma'am.
Meron na dito, pero apart from that, since this material is available for the student Aba naman, teacher, mag-prepare ka pa.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
as you can see here, an example answer in part 1 is just like 2 sentences or 3. Kasi in part 1, optional lang ang C. Point, reason, pwede na. Kasi bakit? 30 seconds lang siya eh.
Yes, ma'am.
Pero in part 3, here's an example question. Wait a minute. Sample answer rather. Ano siya? It's you see, it's longer. It's 5 to 6 sentences. Point, 2 reasons, 2 example, conclusion.
Yes, ma'am.
So medyo mahaba-haba. How do you extend it? It's the PREC method.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yan yun. So ito na yung kung paano navigation. Pinakita ko na rin.
Yes, ma'am.
Pinakita ko na rin. Ito yung magta-type ka ng original answer, save. Oh my God! Class pala to ni teacher, hindi pa niya to nagagawa. Naglagay na. Okay. Delete. Yeah. Okay, so ganyan lang. Tapos original answer, improved answer. Teaching material, eto na. Click teaching material. Ito na yung point, reason, example, conclusion. Right. Sa part 1.
Yes, ma'am.
And then how do you go back? Menu lang. Go back. So, dito mo gagawin yung full mock, dito mo rin gagawin yung answer correction. Answer correction, share screen. And then, ito na yung band score, ito na yung course plan, ito yung home. Okay. But system navigation-wise, tingnan mo muna yung recording at saka yung mga files. And then play with it, Teacher Ray. Paglaruan mo yung system para by the time na gagamitin mo na siya, you know what to click. Paano siya
Yes.
gagamitin, pag-uusapan natin after first check out the material. Okay? Any other questions?
None so far, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll be with Teacher Allen.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. We'll
Gonna be
keep in
leaving the.
touch.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You may leave here. Teacher Allen, okay. You wanted to see the Ding Talk in your PC, correct?
Yes, actually, well, you two were having a conversation. I already found out how to do it.
Okay. Then you can start with the first course.
Yes, I'll show you my screen. Here, so this is the one, and then
Yeah. That's the one. You can start with sensitive issues training.
okay, got it.
Okay, so maybe I can have you start at what time? Kasi lunchtime na ngayon, magla-lunch ka pa siguro, maybe 2 o'clock.
Okay, sounds wonderful.
Okay, already. We'll keep in touch.
Thank you so much.
Do you need the recording of this or maybe just file recording of the class and how to enter the website?
I guess can I also have the recording for future reference?
Which one?
This one and the one that you mentioned. Sorry.
This one, the one that I recorded now.
Yes.
Okay. Alrighty. Ciao.
Ciao.